Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my latest obsession, the eyeshadow palette from Shopaarel. I absolutely love trying out new makeup products, and this one is no exception. So, let's dive right in and explore all the amazing shades this palette has to offer. First up, we have the gorgeous matte pink shade. It's perfect for adding a pop of color to your eyes without being too overpowering. Next, we have the matte brown shade, a classic choice that always looks stunning. Moving on, we have the most incredible matte purple shade you've ever seen. It's so pigmented and vibrant, it's sure to make your eyes stand out. And finally, we end with a stunning metallic gold shade that adds a touch of glamour to any look. I can't wait to try out these shades and share some swatches with you all. Stay tuned for my next video where I put this palette to the test. Thank you so much for joining me today in unboxing my new eyeshadow palette from Shopaarel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me for more amazing makeup discoveries and tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy makeup experimenting. To see more similar content, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay positive, stay blessed.